Hey everyone, welcome to Vanindan Academy. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 solar panels for your home in 2025. Whether you're going green or looking to cut energy costs, stay tuned to find out which panels make the cut. First up, we have the Qcell Elite. This panel offers a competitive price per watt and a sleek black design with a subtle checkerboard effect. It comes with a 15-year product and a 25-year performance warranty, with an annual degradation rate of 0.55%. By year 25, it retains about 84.8% of its original output, and it's manufactured in China with a facility in Texas. Next is the Qcell Duo. This panel stands out with its new N-type silicon and an impressive 30-year warranty. It degrades only 0.3% annually, retaining 90% output after 30 years. Its black-on-black aesthetic is sleek, and it boasts a high efficiency of 22.6%. Plus, it's assembled in the US, offering potential tax incentives. Moving on to the Maxion 5. Known for its high efficiency of 24.1%, this panel is backed by an industry-leading 40-year warranty, covering parts, labor, and service. It loses just 0.25% of efficiency annually. While historically premium priced, it's now more competitive. Then we have the Hanwha Qcell Quantum. Manufactured in the US by Hanwha Qcells, it features N-type silicon and quantum neo technology. With an efficiency of around 22.5% and a 25-year warranty, it performs well in low light and extreme weather conditions. It's also widely available. Last but not least, the REI Alpha Pure. This panel uses heterojunction technology, combining crystalline silicon and amorphous thin film for high energy density. It has a low temperature coefficient, meaning it loses less production in high heat. With a low degradation rate of 0.25% annually, it retains 92% of its output after 25 years. While it's premium priced, the performance and REI's ProTrust warranty make it worth it. So there you have it, the top 5 solar panels for your home in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and check out the links in the description for more resources. Catch you next time.